Hello, Excel enthusiastic. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how to concatenate with VLOOKUP. Suppose I apply VLOOKUP here. So here it is a name and surname, and this is mentioned together in this table. So we'll select this, and so how do we concatenate? We do it with and sign, and we'll select this cell. As we can see, there is a space between name and surname, so we have to give it a double space. Select the table, column number 3, and exact match. So here you can see the result.